ShipVia LBSi includes two maintenance screens that both add additional functionality to the ShipVia LBSi Freight Optimizer solution. The first one being the ShipVia NMFC maintenance screen, and the other is the ShipVia Handling Charge maintenance screen. We will begin by going over the ShipVia NMFC maintenance screen. To open the ShipVia NMFC maintenance screen, navigate to Administration, Add-ons, ShipVia LBSi, ShipVia NMFC Maintenance. The ShipVia NMFC maintenance screen will allow you to set up various NMFC codes in your system to be used with the ShipVia LBSi solution. The ShipVia LBSi client will retrieve these codes for LTL shipments. In both the code and name field will be the NMFC code and subcode. These values are what will display in the NMFC code user-defined field on the item master record and will display in the NMFC code lookup when you go to select an NMFC code for an item in your system. The NMFC code field in the ShipVia NMFC maintenance screen is where you would enter the primary NMFC code that will display in the ShipVia LBSi client for LTL shipments. Moving on to the NMFC subcode field, this is where you can enter in a subcode that may pertain to your primary NMFC code. The final field in the screen is the comments field. This is where you can enter in any comments for your NMFC codes. This can be useful to help distinguish your NMFC codes from one another. If you would like to remove a code from the screen, you can do so by clicking on the Remove button at the bottom. The NMFC code cannot be assigned to any items in your system in order to remove it. Now let's move on to the ShipVia Handling Charge maintenance screen. To navigate to the screen, go to Administration, Add-ons, ShipVia LBSi, ShipVia Handling Charge Maintenance. The ShipVia Handling Charge maintenance screen allows you to assign handling charges on a per carrier basis. The code, name, and shipping code will all be used for internal referencing only and cannot be changed. In the shipping name field is where you would enter in the carrier name that corresponds to the same shipping carrier name in the shipping type setup screen. As a side note, in order for the carrier to display automatically in the ShipVia LBSi client, the correct carrier code must be entered in the shipper service code field in the shipping type setup screen. If you need to find a carrier code, you can find the code by double-clicking in the ShipVia field in the ShipVia LBSi client to display a lookup table that contains all the carrier codes that are available for selection. Below the shipping name field is the handling charge field. This is where you would enter in the amount of the handling charge that pertains to the specific carrier. The handling charge that is brought into the marketing document can be changed prior to adding the document if the handling charge for the order differs from what is predefined in the ShipVia Handling Charge maintenance screen. Finally, the comments field is where you can enter in any comments that may pertain to the handling charge. If you would like to remove a handling charge, you can do so by simply clicking on the Remove button at the bottom. That concludes the ShipVia NMFC and Handling Charge maintenance section of our ShipVia LBSi Freight Optimizer solution. To learn more about our ShipVia LBSi solution, you can view our other ShipVia LBSi videos on our LBSi YouTube channel. Join us as we help you learn more about what SAP Business One has to offer by clicking the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or SAP support at lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.